Here we are making a spot for the hut. And because there's so much snow, we gotta stomp this snow down. Oh, this whole square. And it definitely feels like it's a little wet underneath. And wind's blowing from this direction, so door's gonna be right there. Oh, you're just dragging the sled. Nice. What's up, guys? Got the bait in the water. We just had one fish come up and smash match shit. He's too giddy and missed it. Got the whole bait shebang going on. That fish definitely came out of nowhere. We'll see what we get. Hey, what's up, guys? Got that beautiful bow today. Just came up out of nowhere and just crushed it. Crushed it, got a perfect hook set on it right through the bottom of the jaw. With that perch talker. Thing is money. First fish of the day. There he goes. Beautiful fish right there. Nice freaking color in that thing. Came up and just smashed it. Look at that. Another nice fish. Here you go, bud. See ya. What a nice bow, dude, on the jaw jacker. Woo! Yeah, buddy, dude. That's a beautiful fish, dude. He choked that hook, though.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came, I'm glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe
Got a good one. Look at that hook set. Right in the freaking cheek. Let me get a... Nice. That's a good hook set. Look at that. On the jaw jacker. Bud. So everybody ended up leaving the lake. As you can see, it's like a freaking whiteout. There were some guys fishing like right over there, but they ain't fishing there no more. Unless you got a hut, you ain't enjoying yourself today. That's for sure. I got a jaw jacker set up. Caught a few fish off of them today. As you can see, it's been snowing pretty hard all day that we've been here. Everything's completely covered.